Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not turning on. Immediately, guide users to check their internet connection, as a stable connection is crucial for the game to launch. Next, advise them to quickly verify Roblox's server status, as outages can prevent anyone from playing. Finally, remind them to confirm their device meets the minimum system requirements to avoid compatibility issues. After initial checks, a simple restart of your computer or mobile device can often resolve minor glitches. If you're playing through a web browser, clearing its cache and cookies is a vital step, as corrupted data can interfere with the game's launch. Additionally, try running Roblox as an administrator. This can often bypass permission-related issues that prevent the application from starting correctly. If the problem persists, a fresh start is often the best solution. Begin by completely uninstalling Roblox from your device, ensuring all associated files are removed. Then, download and reinstall the latest version directly from the official Roblox website to guarantee you have an uncorrupted installation. Don't forget to update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a common cause of game launch failures and performance issues. For more stubborn issues, temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall can help identify if they are blocking Roblox. Malicious software can also interfere with game launches, so perform a thorough scan and remove any threats. If you've tried all these steps and Roblox still isn't launching, it's time to reach out to Roblox support. They can provide personalized assistance and deeper insights into your specific problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.